In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Todoist with Notion. If you're someone who loves organizing tasks and notes, integrating these two tools can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. First, let's make sure you have accounts on both Todoist and Notion. If not, go ahead and set those up. It's straightforward and only takes a few minutes. If you're ready to go, let's dive in. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Zapier website. Zapier is an automation tool that connects different apps, and it's going to play a crucial role in linking Todoist and Notion. If you haven't used Zapier before, you'll need to create an account. Once your account is set up, log in and navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll be able to see the different integrations, or zaps, that you can create. Look for the Create Zap button. Click on it to initiate a new zap. The first step in creating a zap is choosing a trigger app. Since we want to send tasks from Todoist to Notion, select Todoist as your trigger app. A menu will appear asking you to choose a specific trigger event. This is the action in Todoist that will start your automation. Select New Task because we want every new task in Todoist to be linked to Notion. After selecting the trigger, you'll need to connect your Todoist account to Zapier. Use your Todoist login credentials to authenticate and allow Zapier to access your tasks. This connection is what enables the automation between the two platforms. Once authenticated, Zapier will ask you to test this step. By doing so, Zapier confirms it can successfully retrieve a task from your Todoist account, ensuring that everything is working correctly up to this point. Next, it's time to set up the action. For this, choose Notion as the action app. You'll also need to select the specific action event you want to occur in Notion. This could be creating a new page, appending content, or any other option that suits your way of organizing information. For simplicity, let's choose Create Database Item, which summarizes sending a Todoist task to a Notion database for tracking. You'll have to connect your Notion account to Zapier just like you did with Todoist. Follow the authentication process to allow Zapier access to your Notion workspace. This step is crucial. It allows the automation to function seamlessly. With your Notion account now connected, you'll be prompted to map the information from Todoist into Notion. This step lets you decide what task details you want to pass from Todoist to Notion, such as the task name, due date, and any other relevant information. Check everything for accuracy, and then run a test. This test run should create a sample task in your Notion database based on a Todoist task. If the task appears correctly in Notion, you're all set. However, if it doesn't look right, double-check your field mappings and try again. Finally, save your zap and turn it on. From now on, any new task you create in Todoist will automatically populate in your chosen Notion database, allowing for seamless synchronization without the hassle of manual entry. Thank you for watching, and I hope this integration helps keep your tasks and projects perfectly organized. See you in the next tutorial.